Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Vivo Pad 3 Pro is one of the exciting pad we will be seeing in 2024. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset, a true powerhouse that combines performance and efficiency like never before. With lightning-fast LPDDR5X memory and ample storage options like 128GB UFS 3.1 flash memory, your files and applications will always be readily accessible. Feast your eyes on the breathtaking 13-inch LCD display with an impressive 3096 by 2064 resolution, a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 900 nits. With 1.07 billion colors and a 3:2 aspect ratio, every image and video will come to life in vibrant detail, painting your world with unrivaled clarity and immersive visuals. Capture stunning selfies with the 8MP high 846 front camera, and unleash your creativity with the 13MP high 1336 rear camera, delivering remarkable photos and videos to cherish. Keep up with your active lifestyle thanks to the massive 11,500 mAh battery, providing ample power to get you through the day, and with 66W fast charging, you'll be back to full charge in no time. Designed with elegance and portability in mind, the Vivo Pad 3 Pro boasts a slim profile of just 6.64mm and weighs only 678.9 grams, making it effortless to carry wherever you go. Express your personal style with the Vivo Pad 3 Pro, available in 3 stunning colors: Hanshin Gray, Spring Blue, and Wuxia Purple. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 7 and enjoy seamless wireless connectivity, while Bluetooth 5.4 ensures quick and stable connections with your favorite devices. NFC and USB 3.2 Gen 1 offer enhanced convenience for data transfer and connectivity. Immerse yourself in rich and immersive audio experiences with the Vivo Pad 3 Pro's 8 speakers, featuring 4 powerful tweeters and 4 bass units. Enhance your productivity with the optional accessories, including the Vivo Smart Touch Keyboard 3 Pro, offering a seamless typing experience, and the Vivo Pencil 2, a versatile tool for creativity and precision. Vivo Pad 3 Pro, the perfect blend of exceptional performance, cutting-edge features, and sleek design. Elevate your digital experience with the Vivo Pad 3 Pro, where performance meets style. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.